What's up everyone, it's me Boy Balakero and I'm back for another video. So for today's video guys, ay mag-unboxing naman tayo and ito yung newly acquired na image ko galing sa Marian Center sa Maynila, dun sa bandang May Adamson University. I got this image through Brother Arvel. Thank you sa iyo, Brother Arvel. Shout out sa iyo. And today we're going to unbox this one guys. So yung kwento nito guys kung bakit ko binili tong imahe na ito, kasi ito din yung patron saint ng section na hinandle ko this school year. So I will also be unboxing, I'll also be placing this sa classroom ko. Kasi nga, siya yung patron ng section namin. And then, ikukwento ko sa inyo kung ano yung buhay niya and contribution niya sa Vincentian family. And of course, sa ating mga Kristiyano kung bakit natin siya tutularan. Ito ay ang imahe ni Saint John Gabriel Perboa. So, i-unbox ko muna siya guys. And then, after that, ikukwento ko sa inyo yung buhay niya. So, ayan, bubuksan ko na siya guys para makita nyo yung loob. Galing pa to sa Maynila, no? And thank you also to nagdala nito kay Brother Christopher. Thank you so much sa iyo. Kasi guys, nung pumunta ko sa Manila noon, last July, hindi ko siya nabili guys. Kasi nga, baka ma-over ako sa bagahe and yung budget din na yung pera. So anyway, nakuha ko na din siya. Bubuksan ko muna guys para makita niyo. Yan, it's wrapped in bubble wrap. So I'm sure marami pa sa inyo ang hindi nakakakilala kay Saint John Gabriel Perboa. Excited talaga ako guys nung nalaman ko na pwede pa akong magpahabol. Kasi pumunta dito sa Cebu yung seminaryan para sa para sumali sa Walk with Mary. So ayan. Ewan ko, siguro mga 12 inches to, I'm not sure. Ayan. Si Saint John Gabriel Perboa. Ayan siya guys. So, you might be thinking kung bakit meron siyang cross. Ito, palm, first of all, and tsaka yung damit niya na pang Chinese. Actually, hindi siya Chinese, guys. So, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung details. Unang-una, yung pangalan niya. Ayan, Saint John Gabriel Perboa. And, wala. Wala siyang details sa, ibaba. So, ayan siya, yung mukha niya. Cross. Ito, miraculous medal. Siguro. Oo, miraculous medal. Symbolism of the Vincentian family. And then, ito, yung symbolism guys, kung may makikita kayong mga santo na nakahawak ng palm leaves, it's a symbolism of martyrdom. And ito, cross, kasi, ano siya guys, pinatay siya sa, pamagitan ng pag-crucify. So, bakit siya nakasuot ng Chinese vestment? Kasi he is a missionary in China. Actually, he is French, by birth. So, ayan, si Saint John Gabriel Perboa. Inilagay ko to sa classroom bukas. Kasi fiesta niya this September 11. So, ngayon, ikukwento ko na sa inyo yung buhay ni Saint John Gabriel Perboa. Saint John Gabriel Perboa was a French priest of the Congregation of the Mission, who served as a missionary in China, where he suffered martyrdom. Saint John Gabriel Perboa was the second of 8 children. Of the 8 children in the Perboa family, 3 sons became Vincentian priests, and 2 daughters joined the Daughters of Charity. Of this, 2 of the sons and 1 of the daughters gave their lives to the Chinese missions. Their uncle, Father Jacques Perboa, started a minor seminary where John Gabriel and his brother Louis were students. He desired to serve the missions in China, never dimmed. His fervent prayer was answered, and he set sail for China, arriving in Macau in August 1835. He taught young boys at a boarding school where he was skilled and a compassionate teacher. He traveled to Hunan in central China. This was a dangerous expedition because the Chinese Empire forbade foreigners from entering the country, and the penalty for violation was death. His life was not easy during his mission and experienced a lot of difficulties. During a period of prayer, Perbois experienced Jesus speaking to him from the cross, reassuring and encouraging him. This vision returned Perbois to his previous zeal and strengthened him during his upcoming trials. In 1839, tensions between the Chinese government and Christians were at dangerous level. His hiding place was discovered by soldiers when a friend betrayed him for 30 ounces of silver and was captured bound with chains, stripped of most his clothing, and led to where the other captives were being held. After repeated times of numerous interrogation, he remained steadfast despite the physical torture that was inflicted up to him. He was condemned to death by strangulation, and his followers were sold as slaves. He was canonized in 1996 by Pope John Paul II. Si Saint John Gabriel Perbois ay may hawak na Miraculous Medal dahil siya din ay isang promoter ng devotion to Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal. So yun ang kwentong buhay ni Saint John Gabriel Perbois, guys. And he's actually a model of perseverance and zeal, and most of all, yung pananampalataya niya sa Diyos. Dahil sa halip na nahihirapan siya sa kanyang mission sa China, ay pinapatuloy niya ito. And hindi siya nag-give up, and alam niya kung ano yung tungo niya doon. Katulad nung sinabi ko kanina na as numerous times na he was struggling upon interrogation, and they were trying to renounce the faith of Saint John Gabriel, pero he never gave up, and he actually died because of strangulation, kaya meron siyang cross dito, guys. So yon, si Saint John Gabriel Perbois. And ito siya, guys, isang halimbawa sa ating mga Kristiyano. So that's it for our video for today, mga kablakeros. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share to your friends, and comment down below. And kung bago pa lang kayo sa channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for you to be updated on my next uploads. Till the next video, mga kablakeros. Bye!